Solidarity forever, for the union makes us strong.
As I've said, the government has no plans. There seems to be much rudderless and planless over these issues of the CBA that you gave in the notice. We've had many meetings with them, and in all these meetings, there is no any offer on the 19 things that we have gave in the notice. What they keep floating for us or dangling for us are the court orders or the suspension of the strike. So we say that if they keep insisting on that, then they should go to the hospital and offer services. If they keep insisting on no negotiation, they should go to the hospital and use the court orders to treat the patients. But for us, we are demanding for one thing, that these issues that made us get out of work must be resolved because they are court orders. I think the CS knew very well that today is April Fool's Day, and therefore she could say anything. We have not seen any progress on posting of medical interns or complying to what she said. Because as I said, that we had a meeting on 22nd of January, which she clearly indicated that she'll post the doctors in February. We had a meeting in February, they say they'll post them in March. In March, they say they'll do it 1st of April. Absolutely, there's nothing that has happened so far. I want to tell the governor of Kirinyaga that the strike is a legal right for all the workers, whether they are casualized, whether they are on contract, or whether on permanent and pensionable terms. We have doctors here who have plethora of issues that have not been sorted out over the years. The county government of Kirinyaga holds them 7 years basic salary arrears, promotions, study leave, and all that are affecting other counties. And therefore, there's no way, as chair of COG or as council of governors, they will demand doctors to go back to work when none of these issues have been resolved. We are saying that all the doctors, including the doctors of Kirinyaga, will be out until the issues that we have put forth are resolved. Tumeona kuwa serikali imelegea katika ile njia ya kupatiana threats na intimidation. Na imekataa kuwajibika kuhusu mambo za madaktari ambao tulipatiana katika notisi yetu. Ndio nataka kusema kuwa sisi kama madaktari hatutarudi nyuma. Ni serikali kuangalia zile vitu ambavyo tulitoa katika notisi yetu na kuzitekeleza. Wanatuambia mambo ya mahakama, lakini zile vitu ambavyo tunahitaji zifanywe katika ile mkataba ni sheria ama ni amri za koti ambao hawajatatua. Kwa hivyo leo tumesema hakuna threats, intimidation ama victimization ambayo itafanya madaktari warudi kazini. Ila ni ile kuketi chini na kuangalia na kutokea mikakati kamilifu ya kuimplement hiyo CBA. Kwa hivyo hiyo ndio call ambayo tumesema leo.